Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a 2005 Ford 6-cylinder. What I'm showing you is this is an autofix, but it's an Autel. It's the same thing as an Autel. But if you have a USB port on your diagnostic machine, let's see if I can show you, and you have a camera that's via USB, this will save you a lot of time and energy. I've been spending myself hours trying to get to one bolt on the passenger side intake manifold bolt. I had to use this camera and I fished it all the way down there and it showed me where the bolt is at. And then all I did, I can't do it because I only have one hand, but it showed me exactly where the bolt is. And then when I got it on top, this took me less than 2 minutes versus the couple hours I've been fighting with that one intake manifold bolt. And anybody who has a Ford F-150 that has this engine, you know exactly what I'm talking about, fighting with these bolts you can barely even see. This is just a mechanic tip. I'm actually going to put the Autel and this autofix, and I'm also going to put the camera that you can plug into it. This goes via USB, and then you click on the MaxiFix on the screen, and there's the bolt right here. My finger is pointing right to it. So I'm going to move the camera around. I'm probably going to lose the bolt, but as you can see, I'm moving the camera around. You can see it moving because that is me doing that. This is just a mechanic tip. Sometimes you can use mirrors and sometimes you can't. This saves you a lot of time and guides you for stuff that you work on cars. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for being the wonderful subscribers and viewers. I'm on your side. Thank you.